Yes, and this is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and as usual, today we have the technical session number 122. Uh, Today, our subject is material technology, material science, and material engineers' uh, skills and capabilities, and how to analyze the material in a different way. So, before going ahead, I would like to request you to like it, press the bell icon in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So let us go to the subject. So what is a material engineer technology? Material engineers helps develop, test, and the procedures of the materials to understand their properties and the composition as well as the application of the materials. So some elements of the material engineers might work with the includes metal, ceramic, plastic, and the composites. The typicals focus on the creating new materials for the products, meeting certain chemical or the mechanical requirements, and the expanding to the current uses of the existing products of the materials. To do the same, sometimes they use the computers to model and the study the materials in a different way by the statistical analysis or research analysis in order to reach the uh, to some milestone. So material engineers may work in a multiple discipline of the engineering depending upon their industry, and the material engineers might work alongside chemicals, mechanical, aerospace, civil, and the electrical engineers. Material engineers can be help design various products and the material through their research and the developments. Material engineer can also work in a various field and the industrial from the helping manufacturing bikes, frames, developing and the infrastructure or the biomedical technology and whatever the it is for the duties and the performance, and these are the many aspects which needs to be completed. Work with the team and the play and evaluate a new project, study material to determine how the performance, the technical evaluation, and the review and deep review, how to quickly deterioration uh, to highlight the analysis of the materials to evaluate the environmental impact, the processing and the producing the materials in order to use the green buildings and the troubleshooting weakness of the failure patterns, performance, managerial duties like supervision and the other drafting budgets, evaluating labor cost and the writing reports and the technical skills. Consider economic restriction and the technical requirements, the material design and the processing shall be comply with the uh, local codes and the project specification and the client expectation. So here are some qualities it may be help to pursuing a material engineers, because the material engineers professionally it's if we consider the metallurgy technicals or any other technologies in sense of the materials. So it's will not cover all the things under one umbrella. But there is some certain value and the improvements in the material engineer technical skills. We will discuss the few points according to the time situations. Mathematically, the engineers may also skill to calculus principles and the other advanced uh, concepts of the designs, manufacture, and the study of the material. Attention detail, the analytical works is also often uh, in the field to all the disciplines and also uh, research and by any other technical study and whatsoever it is, and to make a record and to make the technical discussion. Problem solving also is a strong problem solving, like if you can help the troubleshooting potential designs, flows, and also the technical study of and the theoretical analysis and the statistical analysis of the physical property of each materials. The communication skill also the ability to relay the information effectively in essential for the roles as a material engineers can be expected to complete the written reports, compose emails and the technical mails, and also host meeting to share their technical thing during the meetings and the journal feedbacks. This is the teamwork also. The material engineer often play a part of the more extensive work networking to a project as a operating well within the teams can be helpful when becoming a successful material engineer. Computer literacy is also a necessary job for the material engineer. Use the computer to model materials and the analysis material elements which may require an understanding of the certain programming languages and the engineering softwares. Sometimes to refer to the material science of the material technology is a engineering in concern with the investigating the properties of the existing material and the sustainable of the new material, and also discussion about the recycled material and their physical properties and the comparison and take a good decision. To create innovation, the products may industries develop the material unique capabilities and the qualities. Material engineers are also expert, should be expert who create the test implements and improve these advanced materials with compared to the new challenges of the construction. And if somebody is interested in this career to involve the scientific, the experimentation, and the products development, learning more than the requirements and the responsibility of a material engineer position can be helped to develop the skill for the success. Engineering, materials, technology, selection in all the disciplines, the production engineer and the technology and ours. Soil, asphalt, concrete, and the building materials are construction of the material, structure of the material such as the metal alloys and the non-metals. The second part of the deal is the properties of the material, which include the friction, fatigue, and the creeps. The third and the fourth part of the discussion characteristics of the material and the non-metals is respectively. Short term and the long term testing of the products in order to reach some various point of the milestone. It is also a very sophisticated material part of the investigation in addition to the technical history of the product. And also, these are the major general things of the material engineers' capabilities, and also general coordination with all the technical staff and the feedbacks. Approval, appraisal also depend upon the material. If the material is approved and it is installed and the side effects will come, it is not the successful material, then the appraisal will be coming on it. And in case if it is synthetic material, it can be changed or it can be treated with in accordance with the new situation. So this is the briefing about the material engineer technology and how to become a material engineer. It is a general short list discussion. And next video we will see each other with another subject. Thank you very much and have a nice day.